Hello and welcome to part 3 of our architectural house speedrun. It's Nicola from ArchPro, and in this part we will finish the 3D appearance of our building. First, we will modify the slabs that build our 3D environment on the outside of our house. Let's build the slabs around the house. We have a southern slab leading to the entrance, of course. We will elevate it lower, and we have the slabs above and below the veranda. We use different slabs right now, but later we will merge them to be the same slab. We add new steps leading to the veranda, which is located at the southeastern part of our house. And now we will use solid element operations to correctly modify the terrain and to subtract from the existing mesh, which is the terrain. As you can see now, the grass is removed. And we will do that same for the slab around the house. We set the heights of the elevations of the slabs correctly. Now this will be the slab around the house. We will use subtraction also for it. As you can see, the elevation at the northern part of our plot is significantly higher. That's why we will need to create additional steps. First, we raise the house level according to the terrain. We raise also the height of our balcony railings. And now we will create the roof. We copy and paste all external walls, delete doors and windows, connect them correctly, let's simplify the geometry, and now we will create the roof using the polyroof tool. We draw the boundary of the roof. Making sure that we cover also the balcony. That's the roof. And we set the offset to more than 80 centimeters. We set the correct materials, of course. They will be roof tiles, not metal sheets. And now, in order to trim the walls, we will need to turn this roof into multiple single plane roofs. Let's make sure that the walls are above those at the floor below. And make sure that the materials are the same. Usually it's a better idea to change materials at an edge. We connect our walls correctly. And now we are ready to trim them. As I mentioned, we will turn this roof into single plane roofs. Select all roofs and trim to roof command. Crop to roof command actually. Finally, we will create the windows of each bedroom and align them to the floor below. Let's make 3 windows of equal sizes, and the distances between them will be also equal. Let's bring them closer to each other, and also with the same principle make windows for the other bedroom. We stack them closer to each other, and also for the northeast bedroom we will make sure that it has one big window to the east because it's the better location and view, and one small window to the north maybe. We'll see. The windows for the baths, there will be one to the north and one to the west. And we will make sure that both west and north windows are aligned to the floor below. For the stair we will create one specific window which we need to elevate lower than all the others. Now we will create a hole in the slab so that the stair can be visible from the second floor. Yeah, that's it. And now we will elevate the window again. Make it with less width and make sure that its top is aligned to all other windows. We also align the windows for the bedroom and for the bath. That's it, we're almost done. Now we need to correctly subtract we will need to create one big slab and subtract it from the mesh. That's it. And now only the foundations remain to be made. We copy all external walls, paste them on the floor below, delete all windows and doors, and set the correct elevation and height for each wall. Now we will extend the slabs around the veranda so that it isn't an obstacle, it can be walked around it. Let's set the correct surfaces of all edges of all slabs. And that's it. We created some nice house for about an hour and a half of work. And this is the house. We have 2 baths on the top floor and 1 bath on the floor below, and 1 bedroom and 3 bedrooms on the floor above. Thanks for watching, it's Nicola from ArchPro signing off. That was the last part of our tutorial, Speedrun House.